in the last video, we have discussed how to run AutoDock Vina using AutoDock Tools GUI. In this video, I'll show you how to identify the output file or how to read the output file obtained as the result of docking using AutoDock Vina. So before going to the output file, I just want to explain something on this configuration file, that is config.txt. See, here in this file, I have named the output file as sampleout.pdbqt. So the output file will be saved in my workspace as sampleout.pdbqt. So this is my output file. So if you are using AutoDock, not AutoDock Vina, if you are using AutoDock, then you can just open here, analyze, docking, and you can open the macromolecule and the ligand, etc. here. And for AutoDock Vina, you can apply the same protocol here. Go to analyze, docking, AutoDock Vina result. You can open it, and sampleout.pdbqt is the name that I have given to my output file. So I'll just open it. And here there are two choices, multiple molecule or single molecule with multiple conformations. I'll click single molecule with multiple conformation and click OK. So this is the conformation of my ligand. Now, when you're analyzing AutoDock Vina result, there is a file called samplelog.txt, and this file includes the binding affinity of various conformations. Here there are a total of 9 conformations, and here the one which is having the highest affinity, it's written here -6.3. Then if you press the right and left arrow keys, then we can go for other conformations. This seems good, but it is somewhat not sufficient for our analysis. We'll be using some other GUIs like Discovery Studio, etc., or PyMol, which is a very good GUI to visualize this docking sites and the structure of the docked complex. But for that, we have to do one thing. Here, even though there are 9 output files as mentioned in the log file, even though there are 9 conformations, we only have one output file, that is the sampleout.pdbqt. This sample output has all information or all the conformations involved in it. So apart from viewing all these conformations in this terminal or in this GUI, we can use the command prompt to split these terminals or split these output files into various conformations, and that can be later viewed using PyMol or Discovery Studio or any other molecular viewer. So for that, you need two things. The first thing is the vina_split.exe, this file. This is a very important file, and this is used for the current purpose, that is splitting this output file into the different conformations. So you have to open command prompt by pressing Windows key and R simultaneously, and open command prompt. And here my drive is C, but my folder is in E dock AutoDock workspace. So I need to change my drive to E and then to this. So click here E semicolon, and now the drive is E. Now go back to the address bar and Control C and CD, change directory CD to this one. Okay, now it's ready. So now the current present working directory is the same directory in which I have the vina_split.txt and the sampleout.pdbqt. It is very important to select the correct directory, because if you are selecting, when you open this, you will get the initial directory as C users or something like that. But there, if you give the following commands, the system will give you an error, because the system cannot find the named files in that directory, because the files are saved in this directory. So make sure your working directory is same as the same folder. Okay, now after selecting the proper directory, we are going to give the command vina_split.exe --input, that is the input file, which is sampleout.pdbqt. Since the docked output file is named, it was given as sampleout.pdbqt. Click enter. And now you can see here sample out underscore ligand 1 underscore 1 PDBQT 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, etc. See, now here all the conformations are now separate conformations. Now we can identify each and every conformation using any molecular viewer like Discovery Studio, PyMol, or any other suitable viewer. So this is how you split your single output PDBQT file obtained as a result of AutoDock Vina into different conformations.